Come on. Poke the bag of chips. Do it again. Oh, what's there? Good box, huh?
You on your own. It's not taking that box and you don't want the bag to go in.
You need to bring some backup, my friend.
For my note cards.
Poke that bag of chips. There you go. Get it. Go. Go, little birdie, go. I should probably be stopping them, but it's too funny. Backup is coming. Come on. Don't give up now. You're almost there.
I got 3 and 1 hovering. You too.
Come on. Come on, little birdie.
There we go. Somebody made a hole in that bag.
Oh, and the air is gone.
I see it open.
Come on. There's a good
That's
reward.
Right.
Oh. And he's eating the chips. Yum, yum, yum.
The king of the jungle. I think you got him out of the bag.
I should have stopped them. That's really bad. That was somebody's chips, but...
Hey, you don't leave your bag of chips out.
Seriously.
Okay,
They look like they're
his friends are stupid because they're not, like, joining in on the food.
They've done that before.
That is not the first bag they've busted into.
We have dinner. We have dinner. Oh, don't touch my bag of chips. I worked for this.
Oh.
Oh. Bird fight.
There's plenty in there for all. Oh my god. How long does it take for a bunch of seagulls to
Oh my god, more.
chips?
They're like, give me chips.
Seriously?
That one bird who opened the bag is so pissed right now. Oh, that was a smart bird. Good move. Oh, there you go. This little, he's waiting for somebody to like make his face.
Oh my god.
Mine.
No.
I wonder how much sand they accumulate in their mouth.
Great commercial.
Seriously. For the
For
chips,
youths?
you should send that into Utz.
Yeah.
Send that to Utz and see what they say. How much money they give you for?
So good,
Seriously.
even birds can't
I've got
resist.
$1 million commercial idea for you, and it'll only cost you $500,000. What do you think?
I'm giving you a discount because the economy is bad.
0.99. That's it. Good deal, right?
Oh, bird fight.
Yeah,
He's
there's
pissed.
about to be a bird fight.
He's like, you came over and you drew so much attention. I was fine eating my chips by myself.
You should definitely put that on.
And here comes the little kid.
I see. It's the running of the bird.
Yeah, I see that.
Were those your chips?
Those are the beach police bird terminators. They're like,
Seriously.
hey, break it up, break it up. Okay.
Nothing to